Coinbase Earn Investing Service, Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In the description below, you'll find links to the product to make it easier for you to explore further. Now let's get straight to the point. Coinbase Earn is an educational program offered by Coinbase, allowing users to learn about different cryptocurrencies while earning them. It's designed for beginners and anyone interested in diversifying their crypto portfolio through passive learning. Essentially, Coinbase offers small rewards in the form of cryptocurrency for completing educational tasks. These tasks usually consist of short videos, quizzes, and simple tutorials on different blockchain projects. It's a great way to get your feet wet if you're new to cryptocurrency without risking your own funds up front. The service is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible to anyone with a Coinbase account. As a beginner, you'll appreciate the simplicity. The platform walks you through each step, and the rewards, although modest, can add up over time. One important thing to note is that Coinbase Earn is limited to certain countries and may not be available everywhere, so check if it's accessible in your region before diving in. The rewards vary based on the cryptocurrency you're learning about, with some coins offering a more significant payout than others. The more you engage with the content, the more you stand to earn. It's also important to remember that the rewards are not substantial compared to traditional investments, but it's an excellent entry point into the crypto space. Overall, Coinbase Earn provides a risk-free way to get started in crypto by combining learning with earning. If you're serious about expanding your crypto knowledge and portfolio, this is a service worth trying. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel, drop a like, and share this video with others who could benefit from this information.